Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding a single system and committing to it. This reduces friction and builds habit. Once chosen, set up 3 top-level buckets: project, reference, daily, so every note has a home and context. Then create a short template with title, date, source, and up to 3 actions. This makes retrieval and follow-up automatic. Do this now so you can capture momentum. Commit for a week, and you'll see where tweaks are needed. You should capture quickly: 1-line idea, 2 lines of context, and 1 line for the next step, because speed preserves clarity. Once done, organize by tagging and adding backlinks so patterns emerge across time and projects. When processing meeting notes, always extract decisions, owners, and deadlines into a separate action list. That converts passive notes into progress. Make sure to review links weekly so your network notes remain useful rather than a cluttered archive. You finalize the cycle with a short weekly review. Spend 20 minutes triaging notes into actions, projects, or archives so nothing stagnates. Once done, refine evergreen notes by merging duplicates, adding context, and writing short master summaries that surface key ideas. If things go wrong and you can't find what you need, rebuild tags and recreate roughly 10 core index notes to restore discoverability quickly. This keeps your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.